orders Nigerian government and secret police DSS to pay 5 million naira to Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer over violation of his right. Welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. Opera in 2021 filed a 50 million fundamental rights enforcement suit against the Department of State Services DSS. The Federal High Court in Abuja ordered the Nigerian government to pay 5 million naira to Maxwell Opera, one of the legal representatives of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, over violations of his rights. Opera in 2021 filed a 50 million naira fundamental rights services suit against the Department of State Services DSS. Opera, who alleged that he was on August 30 exposed to various degrading treatment when he went to visit Kanu in the custody of the DSS as ordered by the court, also cited the secret police as the second respondent in a suit marked FHC ABJ CS 1018-2021, while the Director General Yusuf Bichi is the first respondent. The applicant told the court that DSF operative had upon his arrival to see Kanu manhandled and taken him to a particular room within the facility for purposes of alleged bodily search, wherein they forced him to remove his medicated eyeglasses, wear ring, belt, jacket, and shoes, and accordingly left him shabbily dressed. Opera told the court that he was subjected to the humiliation of holding his trousers with his hands, wearing bathroom slippers meant for waiting trial inmates, and exposed to air-conditioned inflicted cold for 3 hours. Opera insisted that the action that the DSS took against him amounted to a gross violation of his right to dignity of human person as guaranteed under Section 34 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, as well as Article 5 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights Ratification and Enforcement Act, Cap A9, Volume 1, LFN. Opera prayed the court award him a 50 million naira as compensation for the infringement of his fundamental rights to dignify and human person amid other demands. On Monday, April 4, 2022, Opera gave an update on his Facebook page. He wrote, "Hello friends, can you recall on the 6th day of September 2021, I narrated my ordeal and the unfortunate incident that occurred during my visit to my client, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, at the DSS office headquarters, Abuja. Recall that in my post relating to the flagrant violation of my fundamental right, I explained and gave a detailed event with utmost joy and hope in a justice system. I want to announce that Honorable Justice Zainab B. Abubakar of the Federal High Court 4 declared and held that the act of the DSS is a flagrant violation of my right. Upon this premise, the cost of 5 million naira was awarded against the DSS in my favor and published an unreserved apology to me in the daily newspaper." Well, at least his justice was not denied, sincerely. But I've never seen when somebody charges Nigeria to court and they're asked to pay, he does that. I've never ever. Malami will not obey the law, but if it was for his own purpose, he will go and manipulate the law sharp. Evil government everywhere. Like I said before, I have never seen anything like, something happen and you're coming and you're being paid. More payment landing. There is time for everything, and from now is the time for payment to the Biafrans. Nigeria have never seen anything yet, but Nnamdi Kanu will be a billionaire in DSS prison. You people should leave me alone. Ipob will teach Nigerian government how to do business with their own court because they are learning. The problem is that they will not pay. Court has ordered them and government in so many cases to pay for compensation. They haven't paid until today, but the good news is it is on record that we win them in their own court. I think it is satisfying. Yes. It is satisfying when you actually go and you are not seen as somebody who is insane. They tell you that, oh, what these people did are actually wrong. They can't find DSS go pay. If finally they pay all of them, they may go bankrupt. They have never won any case involving Ipob. Malami shouldn't be a primary school teacher in a sane country. People should leave me alone. DSS is not above the law. Lawyers should be respected. I'm telling you, every Nigerian citizen, lawyer or not, should be respected. That is just the truth. Let the federal government free him first. Let us have rest of mind because the man is innocent. Whether he obeys or not, it does not matter. All I know is winning to him is a plus to us. Yes, so Kanu is always a winner. This APC government must pay for every damage they have done across the country. Kanu is a winner. Shishi, he ain't gonna get. When I think say on a stubborn, but Mr. President, stubborn person, Ipob is really hungry. You think so? I just pray that whatever these people come out to complain of does not get to you. That's just the truth. Because it's not something you're going to wish for your enemy. At the end, MNK will still win Nigeria in their own court. They never pay lecturers on strike. Okay? Nobody will advise FG to release this prophet on time before it consumes them. Okay? Nobody is waiting for their money. It's already on record that Nigeria is crying and losing, and victory will surely be with Nnamdi Kanu or Hamadike. Okay? Please, which court case has the federal government won on any matter related to Nnamdi Kanu? Good question. You're right. Although they won't pay, the ruling is significant and could have impact on other cases. Exactly, we really don't care about the blood money. Somebody might just decide to walk in. Somebody might just decide, in the court, to go to the court and ask for this, especially when their rights are violated. And because he's going there because he has read somewhere that the courts have actually granted to somebody or has given a judgment and the government was actually in the favor of someone, and of course the person's hands are clean. Okay? Yes, so it will give hope to someone that, look, you don't have to close your mouth if you're not comfortable. You can dissort this. Yes, you can, The Nigerian government will look into the matter. The Nigerian court will look into the matter at the end of the day. Viola. Okay. Who is making the same observation as me? The verdict of all the lawsuits are being in favor of the same set of people. Okay. I know they will not pay, but the good news is that we win them in courts and are owing them like China is owing them. Are you serious right now? Okay. From all indications, Nnamdi Kanu is innocent of all the lies leveled against him. When the government see opposition as a threat, then it is a tyranny system of government. Victory shall come. Victory shall come in no distant time. Yes, this man overstayed his welcome there. Himself and Sunday Ipob. Something should be done about them and done fast. Okay, on this note, we've come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.